By now, it's clear that China's manufacturing success isn't based on a single product or industry. Instead, it comes from producing an enormous variety of goods used by billions of people every day. Let's start with electronics. Open almost any home, and you'll find smartphones, televisions, laptops, tablets, routers, smartwatches, or household appliances. Many of these products are assembled in China, where manufacturers can source components, test products, package them, and prepare them for global shipping in a highly coordinated process. Another major industry is textiles and clothing. From t-shirts and jeans to jackets, shoes, and sportswear, China has long been one of the world's largest producers of apparel. While some production has shifted to other countries in recent years, China remains a major player because of its established factories, supplier networks, and logistics infrastructure. Furniture is another important sector. Tables, chairs, office furniture, kitchen cabinets, and home decor products are exported to markets around the world. Large manufacturing clusters allow businesses to produce many different designs efficiently and at significant scale. China is also a leading producer of machinery, construction equipment, industrial machines, electrical equipment, agricultural machinery, and manufacturing tools are used in factories and businesses across many countries. These products support industries far beyond consumer goods. In recent years, electric vehicles have become one of China's fastest-growing industries. Chinese manufacturers have invested heavily in battery technology, electric cars, charging systems, and related research. As global demand for cleaner transportation increases, this sector has become increasingly important. Renewable energy is another area where China has expanded rapidly. The country manufactures large quantities of solar panels, wind turbine components, and batteries used in energy storage systems. These products are helping support renewable energy projects in many parts of the world. Of course, manufacturing isn't only about producing goods. Every product must be tested, packaged, stored, transported, and delivered. This is where logistics becomes essential. Massive container ports, freight rail systems, highways, warehouses, and shipping companies work together to move products efficiently from factories to customers around the globe. When you order an item online, there is often a long chain of planning and coordination behind its journey. Manufacturing, transportation, customs procedures, shipping schedules, and local delivery services all play a role before the product reaches your door. This interconnected system is one reason global trade has become so efficient over the past several decades. However, success also brings new challenges. Rising labor costs, changing global trade patterns, advances in automation, and growing competition from other manufacturing countries are encouraging companies to rethink where and how they produce goods. Can China continue leading global manufacturing in the years ahead, or will the balance begin to shift? Why China manufactures almost everything for decades, China has been known as the world's factory. But today, an important question is being asked by governments, companies, and economists around the world. Can another country replace China? The answer is more complex than a simple yes or no. In recent years, countries such as India, Vietnam, Mexico, Indonesia, and Bangladesh have expanded their manufacturing industries. Many international companies now produce some products in these countries as part of a strategy to diversify their supply chains. Vietnam has become an important center for electronics and consumer goods. India is investing heavily in manufacturing through government initiatives and growing industrial infrastructure. Mexico benefits from its proximity to the United States, making it attractive for companies serving the North American market. Bangladesh has become one of the world's largest exporters of ready-made garments. These countries are becoming increasingly important in global manufacturing. However, replacing China entirely is another challenge. China has spent decades building one of the world's largest industrial ecosystems. Thousands of suppliers, advanced transportation systems, skilled engineers, research centers, modern factories, financial services, and logistics companies work together in ways that are difficult to replicate quickly. Another major advantage is speed. A company designing a new product can often find suppliers, manufacturers, packaging companies, testing laboratories, and shipping services within the same region. This close coordination helps reduce production time and improve efficiency. Technology is also changing manufacturing. Modern factories increasingly use robots, artificial intelligence, computer vision, and automated quality control systems. These technologies help improve productivity and reduce errors while allowing workers to focus on more specialized tasks. At the same time, companies are paying greater attention to resilience. Recent global disruptions showed how interconnected supply chains can be affected by unexpected events. As a result, many businesses now spread production across multiple countries rather than relying on a single location. This trend is sometimes called supply chain diversification. Instead of moving all manufacturing away from China, many companies are choosing to expand production into additional countries while continuing to operate in China. This creates a more flexible manufacturing network. Meanwhile, China continues investing in advanced industries such as electric vehicles, renewable energy equipment, robotics, semiconductor-related manufacturing, biotechnology, and artificial intelligence. The country's manufacturing sector is evolving alongside new technologies. The future may not belong to one manufacturing center alone. Instead, global production is likely to become more distributed, with different countries specializing in different industries while remaining connected through international trade. The world of manufacturing is changing, but China's role remains highly significant. As we've seen throughout this documentary, China's rise to become the world's largest manufacturing hub was not the result of a single factor. It was built over decades through investment, industrial development, expanding infrastructure, integration into global trade, and the growth of extensive supplier networks. Today, China manufactures a wide range of products, from everyday household goods to advanced electronics, industrial machinery, renewable energy equipment, and electric vehicles. This diversity has made it a central part of many global supply chains. However, manufacturing continues to evolve. Automation is becoming more common in factories around the world. Robots can perform repetitive tasks with speed and precision, while advanced software helps companies manage production, quality control, and logistics more efficiently. Sustainability is also becoming increasingly important. Manufacturers are working to improve energy efficiency, reduce waste, and adopt cleaner production methods as governments, businesses, and consumers place greater emphasis on environmental responsibility. At the same time, more countries are strengthening their own manufacturing industries. Rather than replacing one global manufacturing center with another, many experts expect production to become more geographically diverse over time. This means future supply chains may involve a larger number of countries working together, each contributing different strengths. Despite these changes, China's established industrial ecosystem, transportation infrastructure, engineering expertise, and manufacturing experience continue to make it one of the world's most important production centers. The story of China's manufacturing success is also a story about long-term planning, infrastructure, technology, education, trade, and continuous adaptation to changing global markets. It demonstrates how economic development often depends on many interconnected systems rather than a single advantage. The next time you use your smartphone, wear a new pair of shoes, switch on an appliance, or open a package delivered to your home, remember that each product represents a complex journey involving designers, engineers, suppliers, manufacturers, logistics companies, ports, ships, warehouses, and retailers working together across multiple countries. Global manufacturing is one of the most interconnected systems ever created. China plays a major role in that system, but it is also part of a broader international network that depends on cooperation, trade, innovation, and continuous improvement. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this documentary and want to learn more about global economics, technology, geography, trade, and the fascinating systems that shape our world, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss